Hey everyone, welcome to UXBot Studio. Today we're diving into a very important topic for beginners. What is UI/UX design? But what do they actually mean, and why should you even care? Whether you're a tech newbie or have dabbled in design, understanding UI/UX can be a game changer. We'll cover all the basics from what UI and UX stand for, to why they matter and how they work together. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with UI design. UI stands for User Interface. Think of it this way, UI is everything you see and interact with on a screen. We're talking buttons, icons, colors, fonts, layouts, basically the entire look and feel of an app or website. Imagine you're opening up your favorite food delivery app. You see a bunch of restaurants with mouth-watering pictures, buttons to add items to your cart, filter your search, and easily check out. All of that is UI design. Good UI design is about making things visually appealing and intuitive to use. It's about creating an interface that's not just pretty, but also easy to understand and navigate. Now let's move on to UX design, which stands for user experience. If UI is all about the look, UX is all about the feel. It's about how users interact with a product and how that product makes them feel. Is it smooth sailing or a frustrating mess? Let's stick with our food delivery app example. You found your favorite pizza place, added your toppings, and now you're checking out. The process is seamless. You enter your payment details, confirm your order, and bam, pizza is on its way. You're feeling good, right? That's good UX design at work. UX design focuses on understanding user behavior, identifying pain points, and finding solutions to make the entire experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. It's about making sure users can accomplish their goals with ease and efficiency. Now, here's the thing, UI and UX are not two separate entities. They're like two sides of the same coin. They go hand in hand, working together to create a truly amazing product experience. Think of it like building a house. UI is like the interior design, the paint colors, the furniture, the decor. It's what makes the house visually appealing. UX, on the other hand, is like the architecture and floor plan. It's about the structure, the layout, and how people move through the space. The same goes for digital products. You can have the most beautiful app, but if the navigation is clunky, users are going to bounce. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about UI/UX? Well, in today's digital landscape, UI/UX design is everything. It's no longer a nice to have, it's a must-have. Think about the apps and websites you use every day. The ones you keep coming back to, the ones you recommend to your friends. Chances are they have one thing in common: great UI/UX design. Good design keeps users happy, engaged, and coming back for more. Great UI/UX design makes products enjoyable to use, easy to understand, and delightful. From a business perspective, investing in UI/UX can be a game changer. It can lead to increased user engagement, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, a healthier bottom line. So, you're ready to dive into the world of UI/UX design? Awesome! You've already taken the first step by understanding the basics. Now where do you go from here? There are tons of resources available online and offline. You can start by exploring design tools like Figma and Adobe XD, which are industry standards. Don't worry, they might seem intimidating at first, but there are tons of tutorials and courses out there that can get you up to speed in no time. The key is to start small. Take on mini projects, experiment with different design elements, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. There's a vibrant design community out there where you can connect with other designers, get feedback, and find inspiration. Remember, becoming a UI/UX designer is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and dedication, but it's incredibly rewarding. So there you have it, guys. UI/UX design in a nutshell. Hopefully you found this video helpful and maybe even a little bit inspiring. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future design breakdowns. At UXBot Studio, we're all about making design accessible and understandable for everyone. Until next time, keep designing, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. See you in the next video.